front omusikia Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niko bono Oiranire kurwa senseria ya United Kingdom hasabu tolera Enchera esabari yaye yarobetiwe gocha gukora humutinyi oyomo helio Komorera umusani oye na umubwatani ogesiasa kwinga gichintambe musikira Raila Odinga okwana nabarikia mangana hemambia rera segetige chindege ya JKIA niko bona atumire ngora yaye yabene gocha sia mate ya Raila Odinga na bakenya bonsi se obwamo chinga kechiga chobokendo.
I received news about the passing on of our brother Raila Odinga. I just arrived at Heathrow, London Heathrow. So I've literally made a turnaround. I had only one event and then took off. And I just want to take this opportunity to mourn with all of us, particularly Mama Ida, Winnie, Rosemary, and Junior, the entire family of Odingas, Dr. Oburu, and all fellow Kenyans. The reality that our brother is not here with us has really not sunk. And so I will have time to speak. I'm happy I was able to manage to at least